It is part of the ocean, Micah. It's all part of the ocean, right? So let's do something. Do like a. Can you do one of these? Oh, nice. Do the. Oh, nice. You're good. Is that it?
Ta-da!
Alright, let's look at nature instead. Because Micah's bored. Oh, what's up, nature?
Oh, hey, nature.
Oh, hey, nature. Oh, nature, you're so natural. How do you do it? What's your secret? What's your secret, Micah? Oh, time to check the cell phone. Okay.
Oh, I'm taking a picture.
Oh, time to take a picture.
You're using your cell phone to take that.
It's not a cell phone. It's an iPhone.
Shut the front door.
Let's see what Micah's taking a picture of. Oh, it's so
Champlain.
pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's the prettiest one I've ever seen. I like the way your hands
You're the prettiest one I've
touch
ever
the phone.
seen.
Oh, too much Micah. Oh my gosh. So what are you trying to tell me? Oh, you're still obsessed with this.
Compression, not tension.
Well, try it. Compress it.
Compress
I dare you to.
Now, see when I compress it, see these holes along here? When I compress it, they actually push back, which means the more...
Oh, the holes push back?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay.
The more they have an entity of their own. The more that you press on it, the stronger it gets. It's just like a truss bridge. A bridge of trusses.
The bridge of trust. Trust bridge. Well, now they don't make truss bridges; they make trust bridges. It's all based on trust. There's no calculation.
I trust that.
They just trust that they will work.
If I push on my stick, it's gonna push back. And by golly, it's worked so far. All we have to do is make it up that mountain there, Champlain Mountain.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, that one.
Look at that tree. It used to be so
And
yellow.
then we'll just come down the precipice.
That tree used to be so yellow. I don't know if we can come down the precipice. It seems like it's. Look at all those islands up there. I wish that I was like. Well.
I think our campground is like right in there.
Yeah, totally. That's what. See that shore. That's where we were last time. Seeing the things. Let me see. Doing the thing. Can you do it? Don't kill me.
Break your knees.
You can. My knees are unbreakable. Oh, you know what we used to do?
Oh, look, George is already up there.
Where?
Holy crap.
He's so
This
fast.
trail moves so fast.